Hello everyone, welcome back in today's video. In this tutorial, I'm going to take you through how to perform pediatric IV cannulation. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide in which you're supposed to perform pediatric IV cannulation. So before you start, make sure you have to identify the vein. You can either feel or palpate and touch the vein. So pediatric IV cannulation is a very difficult and tricky procedure. So you have to be very keen when you're performing pediatric IV cannulation, and make sure you have to be familiar with the veins of the dorsal of the hand. Make sure that you have a basic knowledge, the anatomy of veins, especially the dorsal of the hand, dorsal metacarpal veins. So first, make sure you get a tourniquet. So you apply a disposable gloves as a tourniquet. Then what you do, make sure. Make sure you have to retract back the skin. So this is retraction. You can see the vein is visible now. So you can feel the vein. Make sure you have to do retraction first. Then what you do, you get an alcohol swabs. Make sure you clean the vein first with an alcohol swabs. Then you allow the skin to dry first before you start inserting the cannula into the vein. Then what you do, you get the cannula, you remove the cannula from its packaging. Make sure you attach and fix it in position. Then you remove the cap of the cannula. You get the patient's hand. So this is how you are going to perform pediatric IV cannulation. So this is how you are going to perform. So this is how you are going to perform. You can see there is a flashback in the jump of the cannula. Then you slightly pull back the needle slowly. You will see a secondary flashback. Then you advance the cannula deep into the vein. Then what you do, you release the tourniquet. Make sure you release the tourniquet. Then you apply pressure for you to control bleeding. You completely remove the needle from the cannula. Then make sure you cap the cannula. Then what you do, you start dressing the cannula. You get an adhesive tape. Make sure you dress the cannula first. So this is how you are going to dress the cannula. So you have to secure the cannula. You get second adhesive tape. Then when you finish the cannulation, you get a sterile water for injection. Make sure you flush the cannula. You remove the cap of the needle. Then you have to apply pressure to control bleeding. You remove the cap of the cannula. So this is how you are going to flush the cannula. So the cannula is working. So this is how you are going to perform pediatric IV cannulation. When you finish, Make sure you apply pressure to control bleeding. Then you remove the syringe from the cannula. Then make sure you cap the cannula. So this is how you are going to perform pediatric IV cannulation. I hope you find the video very helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and give your comment to this video. Thanks for your watching.